Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen and I do fashion, beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be unboxing another advent calendar. Yes, we're in the month of October, but it's never too early to open up advent calendars, alright? So this unboxing is one of P. Louise 12 Slates of Christmas Advent Calendar. If you missed the unboxing of their Cruising Home for Christmas, I will put the link to that video down below so you can check that one out directly after you finish watching this one. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. I just want to mention that although the previous advent calendar was more beauty, makeup focused, this advent calendar is more, I would say, skincare and lip focus. Alright, but that's okay, we're gonna get into it and you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, let's get into it.
All right, now I almost worked out a sweat just trying to get this advent calendar out of the box. It was tucked in so tightly into the box. Now, here she is. I love the attention to detail, the designs on the sides of this box. Also, there's a straw. There's a straw, y'all, coming out. It's really a big size version of the Bad Bees. Starting off with door number one. So behind this door, we got a Bad Bee, of course. What a better way to start off this advent calendar. So this one is in the scent and the flavor, glistening gumdrop. And for those of you who aren't familiar with the Bad Bees, it's a two-piece set in which we get a lip conditioner and a lip oil. So I won't be swatching the lip conditioners because they're all the same colors. They just have the flavor of whatever flavor the Bad Bees in. So this is a lip oil, and I must say that this smells absolutely delicious. So it has a blue tint, but however, when I swatch it, it is clear. It is clear, but there are lots of tiny glitters. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so there's several colors of glitter in there. There's some blues, and yeah, I can't wait to try this out for you guys. All right. And the scent, as I mentioned, absolutely. I think gumdrop, glistening gumdrop is definitely my favorite holiday scent from P. Louise thus far. What's behind door number two? All right, so for door number two, we got the Double Check Too Faced Cleanser. And this Too Faced cleanser comes in the scent Strawberry Snowflake. All right, so the instructions for this Double Faced cleanser says that we should massage it on dry skin to dissolve makeup and then move forward with our favorite moisturizer. So for those of you who've seen my previous advent calendar reveal from P. Louise, y'all know that Strawberry Snowflake is my least favorite scent, holiday scent from P. Louise. So, yeah. hmm Now, I absolutely love door number three only because we get two products instead of one. So, for door number three, we got the Just a Swipe cleansing pads, but we also got a micellar water in the scent Saucy Cranberry. So I must say, Saucy Cranberry is one of my favorite scents, holiday scents from P. Louise this year, this Christmas, coming in at a close second to Glistening Gumdrop. So yeah, I'm excited to try these products. It smells absolutely beautiful, absolutely fruity, nice. let's check out door number 4, la porte numéro 4. So for this door, we got the A Helping hand cream. And I believe that this is my third hand cream from P. Louise for this holiday season. And this one comes in the scent Hot Toddy. And I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this scent. And what I love about these hand creams is that they come on a keychain. So easy to walk around with. Moving on to drawer number 5, donc numéro 5. So in this drawer, we got the Tone Me On toning pads. And what a play on words. Now, it was a bit of a struggle opening this box, but that's okay because the product inside was intact. These toning pads come in the scent Strawberry Snowflake. Y'all know how I feel about this scent, y'all, but that's alright. That's alright. So, opening the box, we got a cover to put the toning pads in. However, I can't really tell you much about the scent if the scent is overpowering because y'all know how I feel about this scent. I didn't want to open it to dry out the product. And what's great is that it comes with a pair of tweezers. So this product was well thought out. So I like that about the product. The scent, we'll see. We'll see. We're going to see about the scent. Alright, so we are halfway there with door number 6. So behind this door, well, this drawer, we got the soft slushy, soft face cream. And of course, this came in the scent none other than, drum roll, Strawberry Snowflake. Oh, Lord. All right. So this cream, I must say though that I do like the consistency of this cream. All right, it is not watery, it is not overly thick. It is the right consistency, just as I like it for my face. The scent, of course, Strawberry Snowflake. Need I say more? Need I say more? Alright, let's move on to door number 7, numéro 7. So, in this drawer, of course, we got another Bad Bee. Yes, y'all. And this time it came in the scent Hot Cocoa and Cream. And I must say, bravo, P. Louise. They nailed this one with the scent. This smells exactly exactly like hot cocoa. So bravo, P. Louise. Also, I do want to mention with the color of this product, there isn't much color to it. It is a lip oil. There's a slight brown tint to it, but I don't know if it's gonna show up on my lips. But yeah, stay tuned, keep watching, and you'll see. Moving on to drawer number 8, numéro 8. We got a lip balm, the Bad Bee lip balm, and the scent Glistening Gumdrop. And y'all know how I feel about this. I absolutely love this scent. My favorite holiday scent so far. And what I like about these lip balms is the fact that they come on keychains, so it's very easy to take them around. This one is blue, of course. And however, I was a bit bummed that there wasn't a tint to it. It's a lip balm. Now let's see what's inside drawer number 9, numéro 9. So here we have the Slick With It Jelly Primer. And this one comes in the scent Merry Marzipan. And I'm not mad at this scent. Not mad at this scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it's okay, it's an okay scent, so I can rock with this one. So it is this primer is a jelly consistency. So So I'm not mad at this primer. I can't attest to anything right now because I have not tried it. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Moving on to door number 10, and guys, we're almost there. We're almost home, all right? So far, I I'll give my final thoughts afterwards. So behind door number 10, we got the Silky Smoothie body lotion, and this comes in the scent Hot Toddy, which I'm not mad of. It's more on the citrusy side, and this lotion is not thick. It's not a thick lotion. It is a bit watery. It's a light lotion, it's a light lotion. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. And as per the scent, yeah, it is given citrus vibes, all right? Let's check out drawer number 11, numéro 11. And inside of this drawer, we got the Sweet Sheet moisturizing sheet mask. So I'm seeing mask singular, so I'm guessing we're only getting one. I can't give much information about the scent. I don't want to open this one because I'm not going to use it now, and I don't want it to dry out. Here's the door number 12. All right, so I'm guessing they saved the best for last. So this is our third bad beat. This is the third bad beat of this advent calendar, and this one comes in the flavor saucy cranberry. Now I must say, when I removed the plastic, the box did feel a bit sticky, and then I realized that the crystals around are actually those type of peel off crystals. I don't know how else to describe it. So it was quite difficult to open this box because it kind of the opening kind of stuck together, and in order to open it, I unfortunately had to peel off some of the crystal strip. But that's okay. That's okay. The product was intact, and that's what matters. Now, as usual, the Bad Bee comes with two products. All right, so I'm only going to be swatching the lip oil for you guys. Yeah, this is a struggle that I had to open this product, and as you can see, part of the strip was starting to lift. Well, I had to in order to open it. All right, so moving on, I must say that this smelled absolutely delicious. I think this is definitely my most beautiful Bad Bee, the most beautiful Bad Bee that I own thus far. Now this scent is sweet. It is fruity. I'm in love. I'm in love with this scent, and swatching her gives off a light red tint, and yeah, I do think that this is gonna leave a light red tint to my lips. So yeah, and there are also some glitter in there. I don't know if you can see that with the swatches. There are some red glitters in there. I can't wait to try this out. All right, you guys, you gotta let me know which one you want me to swatch. All right, if you're interested in any of these.
Okay guys, so that was it for my P. Louise 12 Slaves of Christmas Advent Calendar unboxing. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I want to know what your thoughts are. Was this Advent Calendar a hit or a miss? And if you like it, which products, which days were your favorite days, alright? Would you purchase this calendar or not? Alright, thank you so much you guys for tuning in until the end. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for commenting, and for liking. It really helps to support this channel, and I appreciate it so much you guys. Alright, so until next time. Oh, and also let me know in the comment section if there are any products that you would like to see me do a more in-depth review of, whether it be this calendar or the previous calendar. Just drop it down below in the comment section. Alright, until next time, bye bye. You guys know how we like to do. Always ending in a dance. It's all about fun here. It's all about fun, good time, and good vibes.